Hello dear student, good morning. I am Manoj Kumar present with you on our YouTube channel Sankripal School. So student, last video we are discussed exercise 1.3 until question number 3rd. So we are discussing question number 4 today class. Question number 4 is in a class of science plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. Marks given for one correct answer is plus 3 for every correct answer, and minus 2 marks are given for every wrong answer, and no marks not attempting the answer. So Rahul scored 20 marks. If he has got 10 correct answer, how many question has we attempt wrongly? So student, राहुल टोटल स्कोर इज 20. राहुल ने टोटल स्कोर कितना किया है? 20. मार्क्स गिवन फॉर वन करेक्ट आंसर प्लस 3 इट इज गिवन, एंड 2 मार्क्स गिवन फॉर 10 करेक्ट आंसर. वन करेक्ट आंसर का मार्क्स 3 एंड 10 करेक्ट आंसर के मार्क्स 30. सो मार्क ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम रॉन्ग आंसर. रॉन्ग आंसर के मार्क्स कितने होंगे? टोटल मार्क्स कितने ऑब्टेन किए? 20. उसमें से करेक्ट आंसर के मार्क्स कितने? -30. सो टोटल मार्क्स में से माइनस करेंगे करेक्ट आंसर मार्क्स. सो इफ यू गॉट द wrong answer marks is -10. Marks given for one wrong answer is -2. वन आंसर रॉन्ग करने पर कितना मार्क्स ऑब्टेन करता है? -2. Therefore number of wrong answer, number of total answer wrong, number of total marks of wrong answer divided by one wrong answer marks. One wrong answer mark equal to 5. So Rahul get the 5 wrong answer, hence the Rahul given 5 wrong answer. This is the answer of question number 4. So student, question say that ये student Rahul is score 20 marks in a test all question attempt. Every student no foundation for further question, and every correct answer marks is 3. So Rahul attempt 10 correct answers. So marks of correct answer is 30. So marks obtained for wrong answer, total score minus marks of total correct answer 20 minus 30 is -10. Marks given for one wrong answer is -2. Therefore number of wrong answer is equal to -10. Marks of wrong answer divided by marks of one wrong answer is equal to 5. So Rahul given 5 wrong answer. It is the solution of question number 4. Next question is question number 5. So student, question number 5 is an evaluator descends into a coal mine at the rate of 5 meter every minute. It is distance stand 20 meter above the ground. So level how long will take to reach -250 in depth? How will take टाइम? अगर कोई भी एवेल्यूटर ग्राउंड लेवल, सपोज दिस इज द ग्राउंड लेवल एंड एवेल्यूटर दिस पोजीशन 20 मीटर एबव ग्राउंड, ये एवेल्यूटर है. इसको यहां से -250 डेप्थ तक पहुंचने में कितना टाइम होगा? सो evaluator move to ground negative position. So total distance is equal to 20, because evaluator suffering from this distance and suffering this distance. So both distance are at 20 minus, because it is move in depth. So minus use and minus 250 minus plus is equal to 270, because 20 minus is make plus 250 is equal to 270 meter, is equal to 270 meter. So total distance is 270 meter. Evaluator descend in a coal mine 5 meter every minute. So evaluator descend in a coal mine 270 meter. 270 upon 5 is equal to 54 minutes. This is the answer of question number 5. This is the answer of question number 5. Next question is 6. A shopkeeper earned a profit of 2 by selling new register. Earned profit a new register is equal to 2 rupees, and loss of one old register is equal to 1.20 rupees. In a particular day, he incurred a loss of 4 rupees. Total loss, particular day, total loss is equal to 4 rupees. And he sold 10 new register. He sold is equal to 10 new register. So find out the sold how many old register. Find out the sold how many old register. So student, according to question, he sold X old register. X old register. Number of old register is X. If you one new register profit have 2, so 10 register profit of 2 multiply 10 plus 1 old register loss of 1 rupees 20 paise. 1 rupees 20 paise. So X register is gain loss of 1.20 multiply X minus 2 multiply 10 because one new register earn profit 2 rupees, so 10 register earn profit to multiply 10 is equal to 20 rupees equal 4. 1.20 multiply x is equal to minus 2 multiply 10 is equal 20 is equal to 4 equal 4. 1.20 x is equal to 20 को मूव कराएंगे अनदर साइड 4 प्लस 20 1.20 x is equal to 24 x is equal to 24 upon 1.20 is equal to point remove after point how many digits 2 so numerator include the two zeros 1 0 cancel 12 से 2 times cancel so old register sold the 20 register number of old register sold 20 number of old register sold 20 A shopkeeper earned profit on new register 2 rupees and loss of one old register 120 total loss उसने one day in a particular day total loss 4 rupees so sold 10 new register find out the sold how many old register so let me he sold x old register so loss of total x register is 1.20 multiplied by x minus earned profit of new register 10 new register 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to total loss is equal to total loss. After that solve it 1.20 multiply x is equal to 1.20 multiply by x minus 2 multiply by 10 is 20 is equal to 4 so 20 move another side 1.20 x is equal to 4 plus 20 4 plus 20 is 24 and 1.20 move also another side 24 upon 1.2 because 1.20 is multiplication and move to another side it is become denominator of 24 upon 1.20 point remove किया point के after then two digits so numerator है include two zeros 0 से 0 cancel 12 से 24 two time cancel and 0 on it so number of old register sold 20. Dear student, another way of this question, another way of solution of this question. So this is the way. हम दूसरे तरीके से भी इस क्वेश्चन को कर सकते हैं. Earn profit on new register 2 rupees. So earn profit 10 new register is equal to 2 multiply 10 is equal to 20. Okay, let me he sold x register, x old register, x old register. So loss of x old register is 1.20 multiply x, because loss of one old register 1.20. So x old register loss of 1.20 multiply x. Total loss of 4 according to question, x is equal to 20, in a day total earning is equal to 24. Total earning 24. 1.20 x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 upon 1.20 is equal to 20. So old register is 20. आप इक्वेशन में अरेंज नहीं करना चाहते हैं तो डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 7th. The temperature at 10 a.m. was 12 degrees centigrade above the zero. If it is decreases the rate of 3 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight, at what time would temperature be 15 degrees centigrade below the zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Temperature at 10 a.m. is 12 degree centigrade. Decreases rate is 3 degree centigrade per hour. एक घंटे में कितना कम होता है? 3 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. Until midnight. According to question, let me after x hour it will become below the 0 degree, 15 degree centigrade below 0. So it is right in the minus 15 degree centigrade. Is equal to temperature. How many temperature at 10 a.m. 12 degree centigrade. So decreases 3 degree centigrade per hour and decreases in x hour is equal to minus 15 degree centigrade. So 12 degree centigrade move to another side. Minus 3 multiply x is equal to minus 15 degree centigrade minus 12 degree centigrade minus 3 degree centigrade multiply x is equal to minus 27 degree centigrade, x is equal to minus 27 degree centigrade upon minus 3 degree centigrade. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल, 3 से 9 टाइम सेंटीग्रेड से सेंटीग्रेड कैंसिल, 9 is 9 hour. So minus 15 degree centigrade temperature at time will at time 10 plus 9 is equal to 19 is equal to 19 pm. So 19 minus 12 is equal to 7 pm. 7 pm पर कितना टेम्परेचर होगा बेटा? माइनस 15 डिग्री, माइनस 15 डिग्री. At midnight, another part of in this question, at midnight temperature क्या होगा? तो at midnight तक how many time, long time, 10 am to at midnight. So hour of total hour of until 10 am to 10 am to until at midnight. Is equal to 24 minus 10 is equal to 14 hour. 14 hour. According to question, 12 degree centigrade minus 3 multiplied by 14 because 3 degree centigrade, because 3 degree centigrade decreases in 1 hour is equal to 12 degree centigrade minus 42 degree centigrade is equal to 30 degree centigrade minus 30 degree centigrade. This is the answer of another part of this question. Revise this question. Temperature at 10 am 12 degree centigrade decreases rate 3 degree centigrade per hour. Let me after x hour it will become 15 degree centigrade below the zero. So it will become minus 15 degree centigrade. So now at time temperature is 12 degree centigrade minus जो टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होगा वो टोटल टेम्परेचर एट टाइम प्रेजेंट टेम्परेचर है उसमें से क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? माइनस हो जाएगा 3 डिग्री टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज 3 डिग्री टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होता है 1 आवर में. सो x आवर में कितना होगा? 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x इक्वल हो जाएगा माइनस 15 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, क्योंकि हमें कितना लाना है बेटा आंसर में? माइनस 15 सेंटीग्रेड. So minus 3 degree centigrade multiplied by x is equal to minus 15 degree centigrade minus 12 degree centigrade. So answer is 9 hour. Answer is 9 hour. -15 centigrade temperature will at become after 9 hours. So 9 is add to present time 10 am. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19 pm. 19 minus 12 because 12 is minus from 19. So answer is 7 pm. And another part of this question, what will time at midnight? मिडनाइट पे टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? टोटल आवर ऑफ 10 am टू until at midnight 24 minus 10 is equal to 14 आवर. तो आफ्टर 14 आवर कितना टाइम होगा? एट व्हाट टाइम? प्रेजेंट में टेम्परेचर कितना है बेटा? 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. आफ्टर 14 तो 3 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड डिक्रीज होता है 1 आवर में. तो 14 आवर में कितना डिक्रीज हो जाएगा? -42 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सो 12 minus 42 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड is equal to -30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. So today class is over. Next class we will discussing chapter 2 fraction. So thank you. Have a good day.